lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a really quick get ready with me. I'm gonna try to do it in maybe like 10 to 15 products or less, just the basic things that I like to go with. So as always, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I have not prepped my lids, and since today is going to be just a fairly simple neutral look, I'm just going to go ahead and do both eyes on camera. So I'm going to start off by going ahead and prepping my eyes, my eyelids, and I'm going to use the No Filter concealer by Colourpop. And what I like to do is I just like to apply that to my eyelids, and then just work it on with a fluffy brush. I just like to work it on with something like this. I have been MIA due to the holidays. They have me so stressed out. I'm kind of glad that Christmas is done and over with. I enjoyed spending time with my family and my babies and going through all of our gifts. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have an even happier New Year. So I'm just going to prep my lids really quick, and I'm only going to be using one palette today. Okay, now that I got that worked in, I'm just going to take this Morphe E25 brush, and I'm going to go into this Maybelline Fitme translucent powder and just set my eyelids with it. Just going to set them. So I have, I wanted to go into Ulta and Sephora and just kind of browse around and see what they had new, but with the holidays and everything going on, it's just I have not made it over there. So I ordered some products online that I'm waiting for them to come in. That way I can do a video with some new products, not just the same products that I have, and I'll go through there and tell y'all what products it is that I ordered. That way you'll know what the next video will kind of consist of. Okay. I ordered the Becca Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette. I got some, the MAC powder. It's the Patrick Star collection. It looks like a bronzer. I wanted the James Charles palette, but that's sold out, so I just had to add that to my wish list. And I'm kind of back and forth. I haven't ordered the foundation yet because I don't know if I want to go through. I don't know if I want to get the MAC Studio Fixed Fluid SPF 15 foundation, the Becca Ultimate Coverage foundation, the NARS Sheer Glow foundation, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick foundation. So if y'all have used any of those, let me know how they wear and the coverage on them down in the comment section. That way I can kind of narrow it down to which one I want to pick. I also, there's some stuff that's missing on here. I got the NYX, I think it's the Honeydew primer, and then I got the I think I wanted the Pure, the Grinch Heartline 4-piece liquid eyeliner set, but I believe that was sold out. Yeah, it was out of stock, not sold out. I got the Dose of Color Snow Angels eyeshadow palette. That's a really pretty palette. And then I just ordered some new eyeshadow, some new lashes. So there's some more stuff on here. I'll have to go in and look at everything else I got. But I'll let y'all know that whenever I get all that in, I'll do a video on all my new stuff. Today I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics. This is the Marble Collection Warmstone palette. And it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take this first shade. It's like a gray, it's like a brown, but it has like a grayish undertone. And I'm going to work that in the crease of my eye. I want to go ahead and clean off this Morphe M531 brush. And then I'm going to pick up this lighter brown shade. And again, I'm just going to work that into the crease of my eye. Okay, now that I have that worked in, I'm going to pick up this Morphe E30 brush. It's kind of like a flat fluff brush. And I'm going to pick up this shade right here. And I am just going to work that right below my crease. I'm going to take this light brown shimmer shade and I'm just going to pat that on with my finger. I'm going to use it on my eyelid. Just going to kind of pat it on. Pick up this Morphe Y18 brush. I'm going to go back into that shimmer shade and just kind of go over my eyelid with it just to kind of work it in to my transition colors. It's so hard for me to do a look with neutral colors. I always have trouble with that. I don't know why. I guess because I'm just used to working with a little bit more color. I never know how to like mix and match these neutrals. I always feel like when I'm done, I'm just kind of like, I feel like there's no product on my eyes. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the eyes. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some primer on my face. I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm just going to rub that all in my face. I want to do a New Year's glam look. Hopefully, because I wanted to wait until I got my new products. I really want to play with that Becca palette. But I haven't even got a tracking code yet, so I don't know if they'll be here in time, but if not, I'm still gonna do one with some of the palettes that I already have. Okay. And I'm just gonna take the Limelight foundation and take this with a Morphe G6 brush, and I'm just gonna work that into my face. My daughter loves to watch those mukbang videos, the YouTube videos. She likes to watch the Nikocado, Avocado, what is it, Sass ASMR, and B-Loves. That's my favorite one to watch. I love watching B-Loves live. And she just recently, she asked for mochi. People that don't know who that is, just Google it. It's like, I guess it's like a Korean maybe dessert. I don't know, but she asked for mochi for Christmas, so I ordered some off Amazon. And she also asked for the fire noodles. So we're waiting on the fire noodles to come, and we're gonna do our very own mukbang together. So I'm kind of excited for that. Okay, now after I do my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my concealers. I'm going to take the LA Colors Concealer. This is in yellow. I'm just going to put a little bit on and then work it in with the brush. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the Colourpop concealer in medium 20 just to kind of brighten underneath my under eye a little bit. I'm going to take that down my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and my forehead. And then I'm just going to take my Dan Van Beauty blender and blend all this in. This is actually, I call all these little sponges beauty blenders, but this is actually not the beauty blender brand. I just always see that. But I have not tried a beauty blender brand yet, and I also ordered some of those off of the actual beauty blender site, so I'm waiting on that too as well. I feel like everything's so slow to ship around the holidays. Okay, after I get that worked in, I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics fluff brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my entire face using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Translucent Powder. Well, if I can get it open. I'm going to just set my entire face with this. I was watching a Kristen Dominique, I believe is her YouTube name. I'll insert that video up here up top. It is her doing a video in I think less than 10 minutes, and it looks like super full glam. I couldn't even, it seriously gave me anxiety watching that video. I have no idea how anybody can slap on a face and look at that beat in 10 minutes. That's something that I want to try on my channel, but I don't know how that would go with me. Okay, now after I set everything, I'm going to go into my butter bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit just to bring a little bit of color back into my face. Now I'm just going to go back into that VH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to pick up, I have a piece of hair on me. I'm going to pick up a flat brush, and looks like this. And I'm just going to start out with this light brown shade, and I'm just going to work it underneath my eye. Sorry if y'all can hear all that banging noise. I have neighbors that are re-roofing their house. Okay, and then I'm just going to pick up this darker shade that I used in my crease and just go right underneath, starting in the middle and just working my way back. Alright, and that's going to be it for the eyes. Now I'm just going to go into, I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara off camera. I'm not going to use any falsies or anything. I'm just going to curl my lash, and I'm going to apply some of the Maybelline define-a-lash mascara in Very Black. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and I'll be right back. Okay, then I'm just going to take a brown eyeliner and just do eyeline my waterline. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with this Tarte blush. This is in the shade Feisty. And I'm just going to take that on a angled brush and just kind of apply a little bit of that to my cheeks. Okay. And then I'm going to go into the balm highlight. It's just a mini. It's one that I got in a Ipsy subscription bag whenever I used to get those. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with some setting spray. Okay, and then I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild lip liner, and this is in the shade Bear to Comment. And I'm just going to line my lips with it really fast. And then I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Becky G collab in the shade Mija, and I'm going to fill that in. Okay guys, this is the finished look.
I put my feelings on safety so I don't go shooting way up.
Alright guys, I hope you liked what I came up for, a natural, neutral look. This is just something that was really quick that I put together. I've been getting a lot of people asking me to do just something simple, neutral. Like I said, I don't play a whole lot with the neutral colors just because I just don't feel like anything shows up on me when I do it. But like I said, it's just something quick, simple that you can just throw on your face for everyday wear. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to my channel. I have a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of new products that I have coming in that I'm ready to play with. I'm super excited about that. Also, if y'all have anything that y'all would like me to review, try out, recreate, anything, let me know. Drop a comment down below so I can kind of have some ideas on some upcoming videos. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. I'm super excited for the new year and to do some more New Year's Eve glam looks. I believe that's about all. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Again, thank you lovelies so much for watching. I appreciate all the support.